How to create a group chat in Discord. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus60. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Home at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here on the left side at the top, you'll find Messages. Click on it, which will open all your messages. Now, you'll find Create DM at the bottom right. Click on it. Click on New Group. You'll find all the friends you have. You can only create group chat of 10 members. After you've added all your friends, click on Create at the top right. And after that, group chat will be created. This is how to create a group chat in Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.